Hey guys, so for the electrical part of this, wiring, however you want to call it, you have just two wires, power and ground. The ground, I happened to sneak by over here. That was very easy. The ground wire was long enough for that. Red wire, I extended out and I routed it along this way. And I kind of found something out pretty neat. Back there through the firewall is a grommet. Poke a hole, you can slip the wire through there. The only thing you got to do now is you have to remove the glove box. I'll show you guys that. So you pull this down, you got to take this out and then push these tabs, pull these tabs in, the whole glove box comes out. And then there's about one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws holding the glove box in, and then you just pull it straight out and you'll be able to see the wire come in over here in the corner. And then I just pulled it in and routed it up, and then there's my not so fancy button, but I got this off of Amazon to make sure everything works. And when it clicks in, the ring lights up blue, and that'll have me on line lock, and then I click it out and let go, and then you'll see in my next videos that the system works. The only downside to it is, and I'm going to work on something of this, is I believe that it throws the check engine light because it sees that the front brakes are locked, you're cutting the rear tires loose, and you're not exactly doing a power braking burnout, I guess, whatever you want to call it. But I have a feeling if I run the brake switch to ground through a switch, it will allow me to avoid a check engine light coming on. So anyway, that's the electrical portion. So it's pretty much as straightforward as it can be. Alright, and in the next video clip you'll see me doing a burnout and all sorts of cool stuff. Please hit that like, please hit that subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.